Hi all, welcome to another episode of Kamal Tech Vlog. Today we are going to go ahead and unbox this. Okay, this. This is a very useful gadget where you don't have to have a cameraman. So let's go ahead and unbox this and I'll just show you what it is all about. So let's start with that. Let's move to the secondary camera over here. Okay, this is the product over here. As you can see, auto face tracking tripod, so you don't need a cameraman. It has a sensor over here and it's for 1,800 bucks, which I got on Amazon. So let me open this up. So as soon as you open, you get the tripod over here directly, and apart from this, you do have the base stand over here. Here's the base stand. We'll not be fixing it today, but I'll just show you the product, and I'll make another demo of this in another video. And this is the clamp for it to attach your camera or mobile, and there's another clamp for that. And you do have a charging cable also, which is a Type-C charging cable. So that's all you get in the box. So now we will just check the product over here, the main one. So this one is from Vantro, and it's a Type-C charging port over here, and down you do have the tripod where you can attach the tripod, and here you have up and down sensors where you can go ahead and put the lens up or down. So I'll just this with the gesture control over here, it's given over here, and this from the Vantro product. So let's go ahead and start this up. So for starting, you just have to hold it and press it, and it will start automatically. As you see, I'll just keep it this side so you're able to see it starting. So I can move it accordingly with my hand gesture. If you're seeing this clearly, you'll be able to see that I'm able to move this with the hand gesture. So once the camera gets attached over here, for example, we'll keep this as the camera. I hope it stands, and I can move this invertly the other side also, but it doesn't show that much. But over here you'll be able to see the sensor, how it moves accordingly. So if I move towards the right, this will move towards the right, and if I move towards the left, this will move towards the left. That's how it works. And this one I will show you a demo with camera attached to it, so you will have a better idea. Over here on the base, it's not showing that much. It's just so if I just move around, it is just tracking it. I'm just moving around myself, and it is just rotating along with it. So this is a very wonderful camera gadget if you're making vlogs or anything like that. It has a battery pack of 1200 mAh, and it does have fast charging in it, Type-C charging, so you can charge it on go also. And it's for creators, and it's also for people who make Instagram reels and everything. This is one of the useful products, and I will show you a demo in a very good situation. And I'm just waiting to make this demo, because this would be an interesting demo for this product. And as you can see the specifications over here, it has 360 face tracking, it has auto face tracking, and 6 to 8 hours it is useful. Sorry, it has 2200 mAh, it's not 1200, 2200 mAh, which is better. And the price shows as 6,999, but you do get it for 1,800 bucks on a discounted offer. And you can buy this on Amazon. And if you do want a link for this, just go ahead and write a comment down below, and I'll go ahead and send you the link. So I hope you like this, and I hope you like this, and if you did like the video very much, please go ahead and give a thumbs up so that it helps me out to make many more videos like this. And until next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you do have a wonderful day ahead.